Kevin Costner appeals mostly unfavorable ruling in Horizon AntiSlapp motion. Kevin Costner is appealing a judge's ruling that a Horizon 2 stunt double who alleges she was unexpectedly required to take part in a sexual violence scene in 2023 that has left her with severe emotional distress can proceed with most of her lawsuit's allegations against the actor/director. Along with the 70-year-old Hollywood icon who won Oscars for both Best Picture and Best Director for 1990's Dances with Wolves, Devyn LaBella's Los Angeles Superior Court lawsuit also names as defendants Horizon Series Incorporated, Horizon Series 2 LLC, and Territory Pictures Inc. On October 16th, Judge John R. Takasugi denied a defense motion to toss the lawsuit in its entirety on free speech grounds, but he did eliminate one of LaBella's claims for sexual harassment and another alleging civil rights violations. But on Thursday, Costner's attorneys filed notice that he is appealing the judge's decision to allow the plaintiff to continue with her causes of action for another sexual harassment allegation, as well as those for sexual discrimination, hostile work environment, failure to remedy and prevent discrimination, retaliation, intentional interference with prospective economic advantage, breach of contract, and infliction of emotional distress. In his ruling, Takasugi said that while LaBella alleged only a single incident, she submitted evidence which could show that she was subjected to an unplanned simulated rape scene, which was performed without a discussion, explanation, choreography session, or stunt or intimacy coordinator present. At the very least, this evidence could suggest that a reasonable person in the same position and considering all the circumstances would find this to be a hostile work environment, the judge wrote. Costner's attorneys cited the state's AntiSlapp strategic lawsuit against public participation law, which is intended to prevent people from using courts and potential threats of a lawsuit to intimidate those who are exercising their First Amendment rights. Costner's attorneys have another motion set for hearing December 5th, in which they ask that additional causes of action be dismissed. LaBella was the stunt double for Ella Hunt, who was Juliet in the Horizon films. LaBella maintains that Costner decided without previous warning in May 2023 that he wanted a scene in which the character would be sexually assaulted. In addition, LaBella was not told that Hunt had refused to do the scene and had walked off the set, the suit states. Despite the scene's sensitive nature, multiple onlookers along with the producers watched events unfold on monitors in the video village, and several takes of the scene were conducted, the suit further states. There was no escaping the situation, and all Ms. LaBella could do was wait for the nightmare to end, the suit further reads. Alone afterward, LaBella experienced shock, embarrassment, and humiliation while attempting to process the situation, according to the suit filed May 27. After her complaints of sexual harassment on set, LaBella was not brought back for Horizon 3, which began filming in early 2024, the suit states.